Hello everyone. Today I would like to talk about our last grammar point, which is unreal conditionals. What is it? What is unreal conditionals? Let's take a look at the definition. The unreal conditionals we used to talk about an imaginary situations or unlikely situations in the present and future or in the past. Like I said, it is an imaginary, so the situation never happens. The situation is not real. Alright? Let's take a look at conditional using in present and future first. Right here. Here are some examples. If George was or were studying at the library, I could help him with his homework. This is just imagination because actually George isn't in the library. He is not in the library now. He is somewhere else. So you just imagine that he is here at the library. Or if we got or could get tickets to the concert, we wouldn't watch it on TV. This is also imagination because actually in the real situation we don't have any tickets and we have to watch it on TV. From both examples, you will see that there are cause and effect situations. In the cause situation, we use if plus could or simple past or past continuous to show the imagined situation, to show the situation that you just made it up by yourself. Then we use subject plus would, could, or might plus base form of the verb or infinitive verb to show the effects or the prediction which is the result of your imagination. Alright, let's take a look at some more examples. Let's say, if I could meet anyone in the world, comma, I would want to meet Julia Roberts. Okay. Now you can see that the grammar falls to the same thing. If I could, together with meet, work as the main verb and it is an infinitive verb, shows the imagination situation or the cause of the situation. Then, I would, together with want to, work as main verb of the result situation. These are unreal situations because in fact, I cannot meet anyone in the world. It's our imagination. So, if I could meet anyone in the world, which is not possible, I would want to meet Julia Roberts. Now, let's take a look at the past conditional. I could have been an X-ray technician if I had studied medicine. Notice here, if I had studied, this is, just a moment, this is past perfect. I could have been, this is would, could, may, or might, plus have and past participle. What is past participle? Very easy, it's verb 3. Okay, here let's take a look at the meaning. The meaning of the situation is that you are just imagine that if you had studied medicine, now You could have been an X-ray technician, which now you are not an X-ray technician. Your job is something else. You may be a teacher, a doctor, but not an X-ray technician. Because you didn't study maths. You cannot change what you have done in the past. It's already happened. The sentence just shows the hypothetical results. I would have a nicer apartment if I hadn't bought a new car. But the truth is, you bought a new car. You spent tons of money to a new car already, and now you don't have much money left to afford a nicer apartment. Now you are living in a not good-looking apartment, like you imagine. But you just think about the situation might be like if you didn't buy a new car. That's it. Here are the summary of the Unreal conditional structure. Let's start with the first one. That use in present and future for the imagination and prediction. If plus subject and could or past simple or past continuous, and then comma, subject, would or could or might, plus infinitive verb. For the second one, that used for the situation in the past that never happened. If plus past perfect, comma, subject, would, could, may, or might, plus have and past participle of verb 3. Or you may use the structure here, if plus past perfect, comma, subject, would, plus infinitive, if the result is in the present. Okay, now let's fill in the blanks together to check if you understand. Alright, take a look at here. Present and future Unreal conditionals. Use the past continuous, simple past, or could in the ... clause. The answer will be if or result clause. Which one do you think is correct? Again, use the past continuous, simple past, or could in the correct if clause. The next one. Use would, could, or might plus base form of the verb in the correct result clause. Now let's move on to Unreal conditionals, past Unreal conditionals. Okay, use the past perfect in the right if clause. And then use would, could, may, or might with have plus past participle or verb 3 in the correct result clause. And the last one. Past Unreal conditionals can also have an imaginary present result for the present result. Okay, what are we going to use? Use would plus base form of the verb in the right result clause. Alright, this is all for the Unreal conditionals. You need to do a lot of exercises to get clearer on the topics. Do not forget it. Practice makes perfect. You guys have a good day. Bye.